In this tutorial, we're going to create a still image flash effect, like you see in the very beginning of this video. So it gives the appearance of you're taking a picture, you're taking a video, and you're taking a picture partway through it, and the frame freezes for a second. You see the snapshot, the flash and the snapshot, and then proceeds with the video. So let's begin. Let's first of all find out where we're going to take my first picture. So I take it right about here. The SK is split. Go to Event FX. Select brightness and contrast. Select the animate. So we have a default keyframes already set there. Drag the brightness all the way up. Move this head one frame forward. And reset this to 0. There. Now split this track. Let's take a snap of this. Make sure you set the best full, so it's a proper high resolution snapshot. So save this. Image 21, that's fine. So let's pull this back. Let's make this 1 second long. So when you play it through, it looks something like this. Okay, so let's take one just as a ball is going in a hoop. Right there. So let's split that. Go to Event FX. We have a default keyframe set there. Brightness, bring it all the way up. We had 1 frame forward. Set this to 0. Let's scrub through this. Right there. Hit the SK split. Take a snap of this. Get this out of the way. Make this 1 second long. So when you play it back, it looks something like this. So all you have to do now is add your sound effects in and you're set. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching.